Openi kwesi 6 and
Sister Lady D.
Pacho machi.
Mejoso.
Apom ti say.
Ade achi de. Nyame de betwa. Se de ukwada.
Ah na ukwada.
Aka na fo abese me ne na otwi so abana wieye.
Ai.
Na kakra ye kwa.
Ne ye di bronya.
Oh yeah.
Na 2022 ene ye di nkra.
Se o hwe se akaba 52 days. Na ye wie 2022.
Sir.
Se jan kakra.
E do 52 days.
I think ada me na men kan ye.
Eh, kwesi.
Em se no am kan aka 53 o.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
E dem konta dem nya denti. O mo etem konta se no be ma mo aye chiri.
Ba she ye.
Nyame adom,
nyame adom.
Ade achen.
Ya saba biem. Ya saba biem
na. For God and country.
And
I be for God and country wo me Facebook no be ko church as you say I church ho so say and for money. Because I for God and country yeah. Sika so ka ho just say I church ka ho say and for money.
And for money so.
But nipa na you're right.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, senya sika na ye pa abobra.
Sure.
Nti oh you're right.
Sika de senya na ye kan o ye beto Bible no. Eni so ye wo gidie wo mu. Ena no kura kan se ni ye frɛ ni sika no. Eye ade nyina.
Okay.
Ade nyina.
Okay. Except
sika de.
Except
the Bible say eye ade nyina.
Na fa de kan.
Ma ehunu.
Okay, so Bible so ye fa ye de kan.
Yes.
But except enkwa. No kura de da ha no aka. Kebi da so ti ase.
Enye but ebetimi a prolonge kakra ama. Let you say Bible bo be kosoro.
Bible aye kenkan.
Bible kenkan yet.
Anya me wanwa de hwe say bibia bo kosoro. Ana no sisters yi kura ye o mo gina kire he.
Obso mo de kosoro.
Na adwene ahoma kira. So who sisters no.
Mehu omo.
Na no say ya me ba no.
Obso mo de kosoro.
Omo dia no say kosoro nti no say so at.
Reverend Dr. Enoch I Atta, a General Secretary the Mother Bible Society Ghana. Akrati e kem wacha de pay eba bedwam dwumadi so Adom TV so. Dr. I.
Yes, sir.
Akraba ko de.
Yami Adom boko na mpacho monzwe.
Yami Adom yesu ye hu ye. Ye de ne etiti ye se Bible ya ye tono edwa so. Send ye tono no in the next few days to come. Increment be ebeba. Mo so na mo hwe me ye kra Bible edeba ye mem. Wopani no kra be na ewom na increment be na ye hwe enimu se eba.
Yeah. I'm passing ye dream hosa. If it's a Bible, no, Amanone, any kra efi, China, any Korea, omoye members of the United Bible Societies. In the home the for kra. Now so the dollar CD exchange rate, you know. At the beginning of the year, for instance, your budget, you know, actually, and say 6 cedis to $1. You can say 13 cedis to $1. No, and the next say you pay cedis, no, baby, and suddenly you have the same quantity at the aba. And the ama near mamo, yeah, then, and so yes, you know, say you envision as a will be having a Bible. And the above modern say you be share ye sika semono. Na ya hwese ne be ye no afa but adwin aba ye dwen ho
se ye kra Bible dodro e de free China Japan ene adentini emfa China for sika yen enkoto emfama na ye rely on dollar.
Yeah, say what shall be the dollar no na be ye common denominator in some of these trade transactions across the globe into na abanasano.
But it is also true, sir, you trade with China with omo currency, omo beje, ana?
Yes, omo beje, but the issue is still no. You need the dollar to do the intermediary transactions.
Say increment yen hwe no say e be free say e na akosai.
No yen see ne pie. Yen finance department no year nhwehwemo ehwe figures nsen de etie na ye ho baby a ye de betu poten enha esofo say
and now penny ka say Bible already neto
enti ye bo modern say ye be hwe nia ye be ya ebe boa ye na Bible no so ay available.
And now ye ka say Bible neto no kra no as a man for bebre kra din sheda enye ho na ye say baba to ne buomu enye nyamesom na ye pia na ko ekire kakrai. Dr. Enoch.
Yes, sir.
Maybe say already Bible na man for crash that empeneto. Na yes be increase the price no enye nyamesom na ye pia ko akire.
Yeah, in fact, enunti ena ye tu ye boase na ya hwete ne be na fa. Na fin so ye appeal to the churches and Christians because omo na omo boa yen. In fact, Bibles are ye turn in yana no. The cost of production, you know, in principle, no, it is about 50%. Total Bible bra, why? And that's a tongue cry, check.
Okay.
It is 50% of the cost, no, the price, you know. And one of my boy, almost so ya send ya the churches, and ya kick a hono, and I knew Monso Casa say, so Messi, I think I cry, but boy, na ya keep it price, you know, and I did a car, and I atoso.
Says you actually said about new increment now more due when a baba yajuma.
Yeah, ecosi na what you dear na decision na your firm na ye dia toja.
It will be a bookshop bia copy Bible na or market a copy Bible at o make sure say or the kakrabe kanisika ho.
Bet me ye bibisa nti no na ye ka kire amanfo na omo sisi omo adwen e wo sa ho se decision no ba na sa
akra yamenka no nhira ono adwuma wo ye magana
men so me da wasepa enemomo
Reverend Dr. Enoch Ata General Secretary of the Bible Society Ghana enti lady baby a dollar ne cedi ne dia kwakọ wie eno no fere nyamesom is becoming expensive.
Yeah. Bible to baako na hweso yi a afebo.
Yeah.
Eda ho niema bi wo ho a ye di koyemu, ye num koyemu, esa ma ye yare, eno kra ne bo akosoro nso ye to.
Tie mi ani ne ento Bible na ye.
Ma dwen kire dia ma dwen kire no.
Okay.
Ye to nso ama ye fa ma enfuturo. Ye nya ho adaje. Enya ho adaje ebesusu abosobo enema bi o nse betumi ebu ye ni aguso ne ye hwe nyame so ho aha nti eye because I ade bi a kwasi otono automate say bi a wo ba wadi emfienum no timi hwe so yi a odi benyi wu aja ho aha nti eye
say no etiwe entity expire
ye hia no so be hwe so yi wo benya fa ko bi a ode beto a de bia ba bia da no ho ma asembone say anko basa ba ye batan bi amofra awia ofra yese ni edi nsi oguso ne nti na ese opa baby pade to no say hu hia ohu koran wo public toilet basket mu da but Bible aya na ebidem
obehu bi wo
well nti eye
imported chicken other meat products safe
ana da ho no brofo no anu aka no no adomonline.com
food and drugs authority
e ma ya chia no pe no se enkoko aye krafi ama no ne ba no oh asem bia ni ho bibia ye kama eye urubi ko mu e be boa wo nti FDA fo che se o mu hwehwe mu no approval o mu de aba e de afa eno ho eno no nti kwasi ne etie no
okay
na de afa ni gide ho nsam so ha interesting costumes at the red carpet of Black Panther premiere in Nigeria kwasi wako baby a ye red carpet da
I think say makobe say twice or thrice be
na ohu de
it looks as if you shed that war entire the occasion they want entire the pie
I like the two words. The edical occasion. Ne what the DPA.
And they won't say the DPA because some of it I think is it VGM I say and I'm call back with. At Taribia Munso be share me confronting me and say it will shape us there be me ye purpose December de ba VGM.
Enti after that program no on she bio.
Ye on she bio. Yeah. Ne di o ka kire me no.
And a red carpet no so no kone ye je o kre Saturday no. Untumi san she nko ba bibio because ye nya je o kre. Enti no so o said that to no be ye say sika boarding a wa she no baako purposely for the occasion. Well, say yes, unisken ka say mom me.
Oh yeah.
Nti me ye nyina ha na lumba nyom no so ho de she ho no. Ma emfa.
Oh yeah.
Okay, me dey ma yanto
o. Oh, but what you say? Ghana nko na ehia for kire say na sika fon spend sika.
Anyway,
sika say ye kwa. We ya akotwe so faso ne say.
Obi anya ne bibi kwa. So won ti ase na wonim so mfaso a.
Kopɛ sika de si.
Tire wadwen keke. Nti no.
Oh yeah. But say bi esi bi kura to mo de some bi to mo de in dollars. E bi de $700, e bi de $1,000.
Okay.
No ahye no de aba program as eno ano no. On hye bi.
Eno ano no kwasi nipa be wudako.
Oh yes.
Nti de obetumi aye ne ne no. Be ma wani age no. So wo kwa akofiri. Ana wo kwa akosere de a. Well, e bia also de ye ma no no. Ba so obetumi ato a.
Yeah.
Ah, ho nkyerɛw. No bia medan o ka na enye se wato awie nso ho hia. Nipa be tenase dako, nipa be wudako. So
and now say Reverend is to that of Accra kan. Yensusu emkre sika.
Okay.
Eto de bia. Nyame ya adom na kakra bo obotu.
Dibi.
Ma okra.
Na okra ku se wa bobra na wadi.
Me sori ahomache na ba adwuma. Na na me da me sori ahomache de. At least
Mary akukomwa.
Me ma me kra ani anche. Say me dey say bayira yachi ene chicken wings.
Na wo kan.
Na me kan me dey no.
O say no dey say ye dey no ne VAT okra be.
Oh yeah, me bayira yachi ne chicken wings.
Obi tinche obeka sakoya sen.
Yes, me dey sa. Ebe ma me kra eni agi.
Kwasi dey no.
Na bia manya wine bi.
Okay.
Atoso. Ne ice bi, ewo glass bi mu.
Mate wase.
Na etim fifre bi.
Na wa krokro wo ho kakra.
Yes. Me kra.
Kwasi mate. Yo.
Yes. Mate ni agi.
Okay, into no and awesome and no na 2022 World Cup Joseph Painter dropped from Black Stars final squad.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, and yeah, be oja. Fire so ho. Ana no pay ya no. Oh, okay. Into no the entire koba ya John Painter dropped from Black Stars final squad no. Professor Wallace and Songo one mo betre wase ne anopeya. Inti former Beige Bank CEO pleads not guilty to stealing 1.2 billion to steal 1.2 billion granted bail. No Adom kase mu no ma wote ase se opani ne chese kwa dudu na yede ball nyina ne mu ba kokra ni ho a wodi ehofo nti ama no 200 million bail nti no so edaha. Police inspector arrested for reckless driving in Accra. Kwesi to aso.
Daily Guide esu eriemse a Beige Capital, a Beige Bank. Papa na sem de waboso edada. President na Adom Kwakufa so a picture eneda Daily Guide anim hoi. Na osi redeem $100 billion climate change pledge. Nana to developed economies. Yes say amama odo na wonsa asuru akiri dware no. E hye wiase bose climate change ye bo discovers $100 billion. And a beto na de aboa aso asene ama ehun sunsuanso na eba no e me bebre mfama amama odo especially amaya afi ne ye fifesi e wo mpuntu mu. Ma panisi wo kai mu sese bi o panisi arefi onti ene kaye enso wonu to kai mu ada sese ska no maye. MPs request took pressure to downsize government. Baumia flaws Mahama in latest poll. As you see UK phobia and a lady so maba be poll bi e wo Ghana. Omene Ghana for best 254,000 and akasa.
Oh okay.
ABC almost say enne ye ko abato so a. Between Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia, Vice President, and a former President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, why no meto aba at the amount. See the 254,000 Ghanaians no muka sign. A move 46%. So meto aba the amount Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia.
Okay. Because
omu ojidi on mu say onye 2 million in 2024 obetimi asa Ghana shebre.
Okay.
35% say obeto de ama John Dramani Bahama because why be pen
okay
onya akonya no betoa so a obesiesie Ghana
okay
but unfortunate part so you say 19% say want to abama NPP ana NDC no one chire ba bi obeto aba
okay
e de akọ number 12 allowed to appear in court on must Daily Guide and Ghanaian Times and so any Lance Minister U.S. Special Envoy for Climate to co-chair FCLP. Redeem $100 million annual pledge. President demands from rich countries. Get fund completes 2,259 projects since 2017 nationwide. Ghanaian Times and so anyway eba and there anope lady.
Jo me de myjoyline.com no eto aso kakra kapa no ne special prosecutor Emma Edahei na brofo no so ne Colonel Damwa Drugs Office of Special Prosecutor to court wants La Bianca report squashed. Hey. Kwesi squashed no asen.
Yentwem say report no mo ye fa La Bianca ho no.
What person oyende? Squashed.
Canada wanyi report ni ana.
Enti was it yes squash ne asen.
Yem kwashes yem to report. Hey.
Chim
to country baby.
Oh okay.
Ana
anti ene Colonel Damwa what the already ben kisi ajaben court on the office. So well akoyem rasam ne court no de edu court a ajaje fo betie akwadubofo na emra ne so amemwaye enti eno ho asem yentra honko foforo so girls in Kula abandon school to harvest groundnuts. Na we no kra na ya ma girls no. Na se wo hwe enkwala no okay girls are na ebefre wo girls are na ebefre wo. Nti wo hwe enkwala yi a na te so mo fi school dem mo ekwa afuo mu kotenkate. Nti sa enkwala we no mo kotenkate no. Womu kotenkate no anya duane dia no mo kotenkate no mo nya sika koto book na mo kotenkate no mo nya sika no womu kotenkate na aye de yen. Oh, kwesi to aso.
The Herald. Ofori Atta to deliver 2023 budget statement to empty chamber. NPP mrashe bedwani na eka ne seye. Cause also mo majority no ba bo mu 3% se mampani enyi Ken Ofori Atta. No man ne ba so making kan budget ne dia according to Honorable Sylvester Tete. Osi majority no omont na ho. So as onim se minority no so ent na ho no. And the speaker so does not preside over an empty chamber into omba. So ntia de be kwakọ wie nyina ne se Ken Ofori Atta ba ma hwe yefiem won mu a enya de obenya obia obekenkan budget no e de akire no. Asantis and Airways must end mistrust, hatred and hostility. Otufo Osetu advocate at Hobe. A 3-year Ankra's chances boasted ahead of NDC General Secretary campaign launch. The Herald and a day by a lady.
Kwesi nanka Kula no. Say yenkom ne he baby ko no a ewo no akola yi. Efi school mu she o mu school atade
Okay.
Na ayi Martina Bugri ene chiro sa asemu ebusuafo girls in the northern region continues to miss months of school because they have to engage in work to support their parents. Harvesting of groundnut, our friend wo ayuguba, as it is known in the seasonal activity where most girls abandon school and migrate to farming communities to work as farm helps for reward. Or say harvesting of groundnuts, as it is known, is a seasonal activity where most girls abandon school and migrate. Not just
a season be a
feature in Ponamuko. One more migrate, one more two pine, a conquer, and Colano new. And Colano, one more two quine, 1 year, almost cotton catty, yes, Cadia bomb, our money. Ah. Kwesi mapon. pacho so nso we wi mfinsi
me wi no lady
ene mpamcho ye de esi ye ma obi ache e bedwam e wa Adom TV so